Good morning. This is day 2 of staying in the house, and I decided to get off the sofa and do a little bit of exercise because we all know if we just sit on the sofa and eat and do nothing, then we'll be 2-3 sizes after all this. Who knows how long it lasts? So I'll insert some time lapse. I've done a little bit of Fitness Blender. You find them on YouTube, and they have all these free routines that you can follow. Some of them are easy, some of them are hard, some of them are low impact, quiet ones, which is really good for people that live in flats. So if you live on a first floor or something, then those are quiet ones. And I'm telling you, when I lived in London, I used to do one of those. I will link it down below. It's very quiet, but it gets you sweating so much, so it's quite good. And then I went on the cross trainer. Now I know they said on TV that people could go out for one exercise a day, but I strongly think that people should do as much as they can inside or in their garden. You could definitely do a lot of exercise inside, even in your flat with your windows open, or in your garden or in your front garden. Don't go out, please, because I saw footage in London and the parks were full of people running. And I know that we all want to try to get our exercise in, but if we all go to the park, then it's just going to be, again, like multitudes of people being in the park, and you walk past someone that coughed, and then you inhale all those you don't know what it is, and that's how it spreads. So please stay inside and do as much as you can inside the house. Anyway, yeah, so that's what I've done this morning. I'm gonna go have some breakfast, and after that I will cast on something. I woke up at 4 today, well, just after 4, and I managed to edit the sock video that is coming up, and slipper socks, and hopefully it will load in good time so I can publish it tomorrow. But yeah, let's go and make some breakfast. So I have my porridge here. I've put a big handful of blueberries, flaxseed. I've got flaxseed, almond butter, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, and my orange juice. And also I had a handful of almonds, so I think that's a really good breakfast. And I'm going to eat my breakfast and scroll through my Ravelry and see if I can find any inspiration for today's cast on. Good morning. Today is day 3, and I've done a bit of knitting and done a bit of emailing and stuff. And now I'm ready to do my workout. And today I'm going to do the Fitness Blender. I think it's called Ultimate HIIT Workout for people who get bored easily, because I do get bored. I like to go running outside where I can just see things and get distracted, other than, I've got 10 more of these push-ups that I need to do. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to do now, and then I'm going to make breakfast and continue with my knitting. So I just wanted to show you what I've been working on yesterday and today. So I've got my clipboard here with a lot of notes. And this is the yarn that I'm using, is the Odin Wools, the Creative Grandma collab that Nick Ray did. It's Superwash Merino and Tencel, and I think Tencel is like a plant-based fiber,
So it feels really nice. The wool is really soft, and I've got 2 skeins. Now if you watch my Knit Crate unboxing, you've seen that the skeins are different. So this one has less specks than this one. This one is more, it's got more blue in it. So obviously it's going to show in the work. I've started, I've done a cast on for a top-down raglan style little t-shirt, and this is the 3rd time I started it because I don't know, I've tried to do something different with the increases, more like not to have them as raglan but have them more towards the center of the body of the t-shirt, but it didn't really work and it got a bit confusing and annoying, so I had to you know, unravel it and start again, and then unravel it and then start again. But this is what I've done so far, and I've done a few knits here to do like a little bit of like a curled end, and then a 2x1 with knitted through the back loop knit stitch here, which doesn't look very good now because it hasn't been blocked, but hopefully once it's blocked it will look a bit better. It kind of bulks out, as you can see, but this is the way the yarn looks. I didn't want to make it with a lot of texture, like stitch texture, because it's got the specks and it will look a bit too much. So I've just done plain stockinette with make one left and make one right increases. So I'm going to go as far as I need to for the sleeves and then work the body. So the first part of the top part of the t-shirt will have this lighter yarn, and then for the bottom part I'm going to do this one, so it will kind of be like a collar block style t-shirt. But yeah, that's what I've been working on, and it does take quite a while to knit because I'm using 3.5mm needles. So we shall see how that happens. I've been watching Netflix, and yeah, that's all I can report for now. So I'm making some turkey meatballs with a bit of like a tomato sauce. Just wanted to show you what I've put in them. I've got my turkey mince, then I cut half an onion because I only have 1 onion left and I need half an onion for the sauce. I grated half a courgette, and then I put all kinds of herbs on top. So a little bit of salt, and then I have some turmeric, cayenne pepper, paprika, dill, basil, oregano, pretty much any herb that you can find, and some chili flakes. And I'm going to mix that up and form it into meatballs and put it on here and put them in the oven, and then I'll get on making the sauce. So I don't know what I'm going to put in the sauce. I'll just have a look in the fridge and see what I can use. But so far I've got half an onion, and I'll see what else I'm going to put in it. The meatballs, they're all formed, so I've got quite a lot of them, and now I'm going to pop them in the oven and leave them there for quite a while because I like them to get all crispy on the top. And in the meantime, I'm going to get on with the sauce, and I don't know what I'm going to put in it yet, but we shall see.